supply AS and aggregate demand AD model are often used to help analyze short-term economic fluctuation. The AS-AD model is a derivative of the ASLM model, where the ASLM model uses the assumption that the price level is constant. Definition of aggregate demand. 1. How is the concept of aggregate supply demand? 2. How is ADIS analysis? 3. How is the ASLM curve decreasing? 4. How is the ASLM equilibrium and the AD curve decreasing? 5. Analysis of national income in a two-sector economy. Understanding of economy balance. Economy equilibrium. Economy equilibrium is a condition when economy forces, namely supply and demand, are balanced. In this condition, economy variables will not change anymore. Economy equilibrium can occur at the macro and micro levels. Definition AS AD curve. AS and AD curves. The AS curve is the aggregate supply curve, while the AD curve is the aggregate demand curve. Both of these curves are used in the ADIS model to describe the relationship between supply and demand in the economy. The aggregate supply curve shows the total supply of goods and services produced and supplied by firms in the economy. Curves upward from left to right is relationship with the price level and real production value influenced by various factors. Understanding aggregate demand. Aggregate demand is the total demand of goods and services in an economy at a given price level and over a given time period. It includes all spending by households, from government and the external sector. Problem factors. 1. Fiscal policies, government spending and taxes. 2. Monetary policy, interest rate and money supply. 3. Consumer and business confidence. 4. Global economic condition. The impact of a decrease in aggregate supply. Decrease in aggregate supply, especially if caused by rising production costs. For example, energy price can lead to stagflation, which is a combination of slow economic growth or recession and high inflation. Conclusion. The interaction between aggregate demand and aggregate supply determines a country's price level and output. Change in either